by approximately 1,000 US dollar in price because the news was going around that Interpol put out a red notice for the CEO of Binance, CC. And guys, this was actually created by Kobe and it actually drove the price down. But as you can see, Bitcoin quickly recovered. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly why this support level where Bitcoin got recovered is actually quite crazy and why Bitcoin might be on the verge of a massive breakout to the upside. So guys, if you enjoyed this content, make sure to smash up that like button. Very much appreciated because we want to get this video, this message out there to as much people as possible. And the only ones that can make that happen are you. So yeah, guys, first of all, very much appreciated all the engagement, all the comments, likes that you guys put on this video. Now let's dive into Bitcoin. And like I said in yesterday's video, I still expect that Bitcoin's price goes up because we have to assume Bitcoin is still in an uptrend. As long as we are still in a uptrend, right? So the moment we get a decisive break below the 4-hour EMA ribbon, we get a decisive retest and a failed reclaim, that is the moment that we are going to be in a downtrend. But right now that is not the case yet. So if we zoom out on Bitcoin, and this is actually quite crazy, but before we are zooming out, I actually want to share one other thing as well. Yesterday, when the price of Bitcoin went down, you shouldn't short Bitcoin. And why shouldn't you short Bitcoin? Because derivatives exchange data is not backing that price action up. Because if we go to whaleportal.com and we go to the funding rates and we have a look at the average funding fee, then we can see that the average funding fee was negative. And guys, when the funding fee is negative right here and Bitcoin drops a little bit, then that is totally fine. But that actually means that once Bitcoin is coming into support with negative funding, the chances are actually quite high that Bitcoin is going to bounce up, especially in these bullish conditions. So now I want to zoom out and I want to show you why it is actually so bullish, because we have kind of a megaphone pattern right here. And as you can see, this resistance level has been acting as resistance quite significantly, but the moment we broke above that, right now we are consolidating above this level. So this former resistance flipped actually to support. That means that Bitcoin also is actually still holding an important support level while funding fees is coming down. And even though thought that the founder of Bybit is getting arrested by Interpol, of course, that can price a little bit down in the short-term time frame, but it won't affect the market structure. That is very important. So guys, actually, I'm still quite bullish on Bitcoin in the shorter term time frame, and I still think that we can break out right here to the upside, especially when we have a look at WhalePortal with these negative funding rates. Also, the funding rate right now, as of now, is negative. So this is actually how powerful these things are. And if, for example, this is another thing how you can use the funding rates. If, for example, the funding rates are negative but price continues to plummet, then the market conditions changed and we are not in a bull market anymore. So that the funding turns negative and that the price goes back up is again also another confirmation for us traders that Bitcoin still is in a bull market, because normally when market sentiment shift, when the market conditions shift, we are seeing that also first in the funding rates. So that is also why it's so important to know exactly how this funding rates works, because you can actually see the exact bull market top only with looking at the funding rates. Guys, very interesting. If you want to trade Bitcoin during this formation, you can do so over on Bybit, of course. Sign up with the affiliate link down below. You can get a bonus of up to 30,000 US dollars. And of course, if you are an active trader with our affiliate link, you can join WhaleAlerts, where you will join extra information, nice calls on Bitcoin and altcoins. So yeah, definitely would recommend that. If you are from the United States and you cannot join Bybit, make sure to join bitget. You can do so by clicking right here on exchanges. You click by bitget on view, then it brings you to this page. Here you can click on visit bitget. If you sign up over there, you can submit your user ID over on WhaleAlerts and you will be added to the Telegram channel as well. If you want to know more about Bitget, guys, we have done a extensive amount of research into this exchange. Yeah, we just wrote a very well written, very detailed article about this exchange, about everything they offer. Yeah, so I would highly recommend you to read this article if you want to learn more about bitget. We also actually calculate the average funding fee right here from these exchanges, from all the exchanges that we are adding to the platform. So that is quite interesting as well. You can see per exchange the average funding fee that will be in the future, of course, more and more and more. So guys, if you are interested in joining WhaleAlerts, I would highly recommend you to do so. Join Bybit or bitget using the affiliate link down below or using the link over on the whaleportal website. I want to wish every single one of you a beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.